So I've been working on the end of the house, kind of a rainy day, but not hard rain, just a mist. I don't think you can even probably see it in the video, but maybe. So I'm not really getting that wet, and I'm up and down the ladder and in the workshop quite often, so overall I really haven't gotten wet. You can see where we've made quite a bit of progress here. It's looking really good. Notice all the diamonds are on. And that side, all the angles are on. We just have to finish up to the end there, but we have to do that corner first. On this side, we're down to this last piece right here. So this will meet over there. And then we can follow that right down through right to that corner, because that corner, that edge is already done. And then I think we're done, unless I can come up with some other design that's going to go on this end. This will be it, but it's looking really good. Huge improvement. Going to have lots of caulking to do and painting, and then different colors will go in different areas. So it'll look pretty wild. Should look cool.